Hello mga waa mo. Karong buntaga nagluto ni tag tiil sa dinosaur. Tanawan ako butakang guys ha. Tiil sa dinosaur di na tiil sa manok kay manok pa na nanay uog lawas ha. Mga buanga mo ha. Oh. For this video, gisugod ko sa kasawa day nga magluto kog tiil sa dinosaur. Tanawa. Gipakuluan ako na guys ha. Gipakuluan na. Kita makang nananibok-libok ka, di makabutang animala ka. Tawa ha. Oh. Kanang atay madra kay wala mo kailangan dara gibuhat ug gisugo-sugo karon sa partner. Wow, for the lata ng person sa tiil sa dinosaur. Palat-ano diyan pa maayo dara kay mao na gisugo sa to master. Ha? Master suguan na dapat mutuman ta. Ha? Tawa. Mix together ng tiil sa dinosaur dara. There are a lot of, it's more than 100 pieces of feet of dinosaur there. Ha? We're gonna mix together. Mix na yan. Okay. Just wait for the next video. We're gonna close the door of the heaven. As you can see, the light of the seasoning of the food. Okay. We're gonna like walking around the street of the bridge of the CCLX Leyte. As you can see the design of the water, this is the trash from the water of the Pacific Ocean. Okay. As you can see, they have a lot of design. Wag mo ilabot anak kay sa dagat lagi kan. As you can see, the person there like kinakutanok of the thinking of the problem of the society in the Philippines. Okay. As you can see, the kuya there, this is making the gango. You know what is the gango? If you don't know, search in the Google. Okay. As you can see, the Lanika store. We are done here for the house. We're gonna walking around the street of the seashore. Okay ha. As you can see, the neighbor there. That's our neighbor. We don't know what is the name of the place there. Okay, wag ngawaan mo ha. Ay, joke sa ha. Ay, paabot mo dala sa akong mga part 4 mga video na ko ha. Taawa na. We gonna like point it out the grassroots. We gonna like see the Titanic of the near of the seashore. They have a two ship. Two ship like we gonna cross over into the sea. Okay, right. Asa namang sumpayan eh? Dugay sa payo gani god. As you can see the night. You're not blindfold, no. We're gonna enter the house. As you can see, I'm praying because I'm eating. First, before we eat, we're gonna pray first, as I can do every day. Amen. Kob diba guys? Dako jigla mo inatay ay. Sorry Lord, my mouth is bad. Napasala pa ako ni mo Lord. As you can see the feet of the dinosaur, we're gonna eat like biting together with my teeth. As you can see, my wife that cooking into the feet of the dinosaur.